One of the great projects we have working with Knight this year is actually a site that a few years back in about 2008, it was started for development. And then unfortunately the real estate crash happened, and so we ended up with this really big hole along our main street in downtown Wichita. So as we looked at this problem on Douglas, as far as really as an opportunity, the developer bought into the vision right away. He's a developer that actually we've been working with for a number of years now. They have about 8 properties in downtown, so this is part of their portfolio. And so we've had some working relationships with them, and so when we approached them about coming up with a temporary solution, they were all there. They were ready to go forward, wanted to know how they could help us. They were part of a design charrette that we did as part of the process with the community about what the community would like to see there. We're actually working to create a temporary urban park, a pop-up urban park. We're actually starting the process now of filling in the hole with dirt. We're going to do a crushed surface, but what our plans are is to create kind of a European feel where we'll engage the community. It'll be a place where really the public can come out and have lunch. We're going to integrate the food trucks. The other thing too we're going to do is activate it with fun things to do. So we're going to have like a concrete ping pong table where we're going to challenge developers in our downtown to come out during lunch. And we'll go into the real estate brokers, office workers, where again we're just activating it. Because again, you want it to be Wichita. You know, you have pop-up parks across the country, but what makes it unique to Wichita is a gathering space. So one of the things we're going to be doing is one of the symbols of Wichita is the keeper of the plains, which is a large Indian statue that is at the convergence of our rivers there in Wichita. This year, the paper did a series of statues that are painted by artists. So one of the things we're going to have in the park are actually 3 of those statues that will be movable, but yet be done by local artists. So again, bringing that local flavor into Wichita itself, so that people have their fingerprints on what the end product will be. Again, it's all temporary. Our goal is that hopefully sooner than later, we'll actually be building a new Class A building there, but in the interim, we really want to create this destination that complements all the surrounding development that's going on in downtown Wichita. We took it as being an experiment, if you will, where we'll study what happens with this. The furniture we buy for the park, it will be movable, so once we build the new building, we can actually move it to another site. Or actually do another site concurrently with. I mean, it doesn't mean we have to wait for that one to become an actual development project. But again, it's all about movability, being able to move it from one site to the next. So from day one, we looked at how do we learn from this and then also activate other areas in our downtown.